on the ice track where there's a lot of ice racing that happens. This is the gathering spot in the wintertime for just a short window, because in Ohio, obviously, we don't get too many super cold days, but this is where it usually happens. And right now, there's no riders out here. It's because it's WinterFest.
I saw Benny the Bass at 7 a.m. They were pulling him into Buckeye Lake Brewery. It was basically a station wagon with a boat attached to it that had a glass case with a bass in it. And honestly, I thought it was going to tip over. It was touch and go there for a minute. But they told me that it was a new bass this year. In the previous years, they had starved the bass for 3 days and it never ate the minnow.
So they had a fish fry.
Right.
Yeah.
But this year they gave the bass some food yesterday, and lo and behold, it ate the goddamn minnow today.
So he ate the minnow, so we're gonna have an early spring. So let's go over and meet Benny. Benny's over here, and the whole idea behind Benny the Bass is if he eats a minnow within 3 minutes, then there's going to be an early spring. If he doesn't, there's not going to be an early spring, but there's a fish fry. You get what I'm talking about? So they put the minnows in this. And what do we have inside? But it's early in the morning, and there's people having beverages. This is what WinterFest is all about. Early in the day, people like to get out and have some beverages, and well, and they
ate the minnow, right?
What's that?
You ate the minnow.
Yeah, so we get an early spring. Get in here and party, everybody.